All right, guys, so we got the Black Orca chair here. I'm going to show you how to take it apart. So now that you've got it together, a couple things you want to do. First thing is on the back of it, this is going to be the inflatable aspect. You're going to go ahead and deflate it. So there's two pulls. One is going to be where it's going to be a one-way valve. So you're going to leave that like that. And so you're going to do the one-way valve or the two-way valve, so it's going to be able to open up all the way. Now leave that open for now. So as you go to take it apart, okay, you just will pull the ends off the front. You're going to pull the ends off the back, just like so, and you're going to be left with the frame itself. Now what I like to do with these, go ahead and make sure we got all the air out. Okay, you can do a few different things as far as storage goes. They make it really simple with the storage. It's able to kind of like store up on it itself. Now, one of the things I do is, as I'm working on this, I like to reopen the valve to make sure I got all the air out of it. Okay, should be able to just fold this up into itself, which makes it super simple and easy. Right? As we got the valve open still, it's able to get rid of all that extra air. And now, fold that up into itself, and there you have it. Very simple, easy to hold on there. Put that in your carrying bag and you're good to go. Next thing, you're going to disassemble each one of these pieces. Okay? They make it really easy for this. You do have the back piece right here and the front piece. So you're going to pop these both together and they're going to disengage on the middle piece and the sides. So make sure you're doing that. You want to disengage on the middle and the sides. Let's go ahead and start with one thing, which pull our legs out. Once you pull your legs out, you're able to pop in right there, right? Makes it simple. And then last but not least, once you've got one side, you're going to take the Velcro straps, okay? Pull it to the middle so it gets everything nice and well. And pop it together. There you have it. Next thing, we're going to do the other side. Okay. Now, you might have thought this took a while. To be honest with you, it does take a little bit longer than your standard fold-out chair, but that's okay because this is not your standard everyday chair. This is one that's going to bring comfort to you and enjoyable camping, in my opinion. This is one that really can go anywhere and everywhere with you and bring a ton of comfort. So there you have it. We are all together just like that. And if you need to, you can go tighten these guys up. Not banging around at all, and there you have it. You got your carrying bag. Pop this in the bottom. This on top. And there you have it. This is your Black Orca Aquathon inflatable chair. Ready to go on your next camping trip, guys. I don't know about you, but it doesn't get any easier to be able to take down a really comfortable chair that you can use anywhere and everywhere. Just like that, you're able to carry it, hold it, do whatever you need with it. Check out Black Orca. They have an awesome product here.